Hey my babies, it's your girl Christina aka Naturally Nola back at you today with another YouTube video. I know I've been gone for a minute, but this video has been highly requested. This is my work from home desk tour quarantine edition, okay? Because as we all know, we've been locked up in the house, so my workstation at home had to be on point. So get ready to see how I jazzed up my office during quarantine. As always, if these items are still available, I'll list them in the description box down below. As always, and these items still should be available. I got a lot of things off Amazon, so I'll definitely go ahead and let you know where to purchase these items if you're interested in my look of my desk to go ahead and jazz things up. Now let's get started. First up, I have to add this cute 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream from Bath and Body Works. This is my absolute favorite, 1,000 Wishes. If you don't have 1,000 Wishes, please check it out. I'm telling you, the smell is amazing. Plus, the packaging is very cute and it goes perfect on my desk. Okay, so the next thing that I have on my desk is a must have, my AirPods. Working from home, having my husband at home working, my son at school doing virtual school, I have to have AirPods to continue my workday. With the amount of meetings that I have and the amount of conference calls that I'm in, these AirPods are definitely needed. The next thing I want to show you guys is this cute little keychain that my friend T got me as a gift. I thought this would be nice to put on my desk because the accessories are really nice. But every girl needs a little bit of lip gloss here and there. And I just thought this mermaid tail was so cute. Plus the little light bulb may come in handy every now and then. You never know. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is one of many of my organizers. I bought this 5-piece set from Amazon, which really came in handy, which keeps me very organized. So this one organizer I have here is where I put like all of my little notebooks, my little tablets, a lot of the things where I write a lot of notes for personal things, work related things. I usually keep a lot of things in this tray just so I can keep my desk nice and clean and not have things all over the place. Also, a lot of these cute little notebooks and tablets, I always find these at Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Walmart, stores like that. I always find these cute little notebooks. Next up is my little pen holder where I keep all of my pens nice and handy. And you know I had to be extra and get some of these blinged out rose gold pens, of course, to go along with the design of my desk. I did purchase these off Amazon as well, but I have seen them in like Marshalls, Ross, DD's, and stores like that as well. But I think they were a little bit more expensive, and ordering the pack as such is cheaper on Amazon. So this is where I keep all of my pens handy. Okay, moving on. The next item I want to show you all is this cute little snow globe that says boss lady. You heard me? Because your girl is a boss about my business, always taking care of me and mine by any means, okay? So when I seen this item at Home Goods and under $10, I knew this would be a perfect addition to my desk. So the next thing I want to show you guys is this very cute pink and white rose gold wireless keyboard and mouse set that I got off Amazon as well. First of all, during quarantine, Amazon is your one-stop shop for pretty much almost everything you need. This rose gold keyboard is so spot on and perfect and so beautiful. I hope it's really picking up in the camera, but it's so fitting to be on my desk. It's so beautiful. So when I seen this, I knew I had to get this for my desk. Also in quarantine, your girl's trying to get her life together, so here's a few quick little workouts I do every now and then just to keep myself up and going from sitting down all day at work. So going along with my little rose gold and diamond bling theme, I wanted to get a mouse pad and a keyboard pad that will be kind of different from what I already have on my desk. So when I seen this marble rose gold mouse pad and keyboard pad, I thought it would be perfect for my desk because it brings a little bit of extra oomph and flair to the desk that was just right and exactly what I needed. So here's another one of those organizers I was telling you guys about. This is one of the 5-piece sets. I actually had to hang this one on the wall because it was a little bigger than the other ones. But here's where I store a lot of my bigger notebooks. And like I told you, all of these cute notebooks came from places like Walmart, Ross, TJ Maxx, stores like that is where I always find these cute little planners and notepads. And this is pretty much where I store these since these are kind of bigger to just be laying in the tray that I showed you previously. I like to go ahead and sit these upright in this organizer so they're easy to grab. So the next organizers that I'm showing you is where I hold all of my books that I'm currently reading at the moment. First of all, if you haven't read a book from Lovey Ajayi, please read her book, I'm Judging You. You will not regret it, okay? This is the Do Better manual, and we all can do a little better. Also, here is my mindfulness journal. Going through this year of quarantine and COVID-19 and all of this, you definitely have to center yourself and get your mindfulness in check. So this journal definitely comes in handy. Okay, next up is this cute little rose gold lamp that I bought for those early mornings where I want to get up and work and I don't want to turn on the big lights in the house. I can just use this little lamp to give me a little light. Okay, and here is the final piece that I have on my desk is this cute rose gold hourglass that I bought off of Amazon. I miss my hourglass that I had at work, especially when I wanted to like set a deadline to get something done. This 30-minute hourglass is perfect for breaks or quick little tasks you want to do to keep yourself on track. And there you have it, my babies. This is pretty much the gist of my workstation at home during quarantine while everybody is working from home. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Like I said, everything that I purchased, if it's still available, I will link it down below. And if I can't find the exact item, I will list something very similar. So thank you for watching, my loves. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but your girl had a much needed break, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my best to get back in action. But go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more content from me, be sure to stay tuned.